APLD stock is still in a strong bullish trend, even with the correction that began after the 24th of February this year, 2025. This its 200-day moving average on this daily chart is sloping bullishly upwards, and that moving average has been serving as a primary supply line and also a support as well. You can clearly see that here. This is a very good case. Monday the 3rd of March, and Tuesday the 18th of March, and then maybe Tuesday, sorry, and then maybe yesterday the 21st of March, maybe. It's I would say to a good extent serving as a primary demand line, even though we have these two bottoms that it printed below that. It's still within. I think this is still pretty much within one standard deviation. You could say this is 625. Yeah, and this is currently at six. This is 625, 628, and then the moving average is at 690. I think it's pretty much, you could still say that it's still serving that purpose, still providing that function. Yeah, serving as a primary demand line. Each time it comes close, it rebounds, and we're clearly seeing that. We can see that spike again, down, spike again. Even though at various occasions then they may not be as strong as the other. Yeah, we can see that. So, do we expect another spike tomorrow? They On this daily chart, the algos, FT, the extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages are really not really supported, not lending a lot of support in that regard. But the 10-day moving average is extrapolated to pick up some strength by begin to pick up some strength by early April. I think by Tuesday, the 8th of April, is expected to come to begin picking up some strength. So we have been able to put through some of the data through cloud, and this is what we have. Prices currently trading above its short-term moving average. I mean, the stock is trading above its 10-day moving average. Currently trading below its 21-day moving average, and also its 40-day moving average, but above the 200-day moving average. For the extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages, it's for the 10-day, it's suggesting potential downside, and the 21-day suggesting a potential upside. PPM indicators, price pressure momentum 1 of 0.2767. Negative value suggests a bearish momentum. PPM first derivative at a negative 1.1054. Strong negative derivative indicates oscillating downward momentum. Second derivative of negative 0.5049, negative second derivative reinforces bearish outlook. So price targets 8.14. And then we have 8.14. There's 11.23, 13.24, and 14.48. Market position analysis. The stock is currently in a mixed position. It is trading above its 10 and 200-day moving averages, which is typically positive, but below its 21 and 40-day moving averages, indicating recent weakness. Okay, so the price pressure momentum indicators are unanimously negative, suggesting continued downward pressure in the near term. However, the extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages show mixed signals, with a potential rebound in the 21-day time frame after a short-term decline. The price is maintaining support above its 200-day moving average, as I pointed out earlier on, which is an important long-term support level. Breaking below this could trigger more selling. So there isn't any indication that it has stopped serving as its function as a primary demand line has failed. We thought you would say that this was a test of that on Monday the 10th, and also again on Tuesday, yeah, Monday the 10th, and then up till Thursday the 13th. It's that test was going on, and they passed it, and then spiked above that moving average. So by Monday, the 24th, we'll see whether it's gonna maintain that function as a primary demand line. So let's quickly have a look at the 4-hour chart and see what's here, what is available here. Let's see on this 4-hour chart. Yeah, we have what do we have? What anything special here? Upper projections. We have 8.21, 8.73, and 9.05, 9.07. Weakness is expected to come to be in effect up till Tuesday the 25th, and after that, strength is projected. Strength is projected based on the extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages, but moving momentum is not expected to be as strong because it has maybe because having gone from 6.01 to 7.35, it's not expected that we'll see any momentum, any sort of momentum that will be as strong as that, as strong as going from this low of roughly 6.03. That's what is being suggested there. But in any case, it could be totally wrong. There's a downward projection here of 6.83, and below that we have 6.68. So APLD is still strongly bullish, even with the weakness it started to show on the 24th of February. And yeah, but yeah, there could also be things, a lot more, some more stuff to be seen on the 3-hour chart. Let's see. It's pretty much like what we have on the 4-hour chart. Strength here, strength is expected to remain intact and rising up till Thursday, the 27th of March. Upper projection we have here is towards 7.92. Yeah, there could indeed be a lot more to be seen there, But all these projections they has, all these projections, I think their probability is very good. Their probabilities are very good. Let's see. Let's come down to projections go all the way towards $14. So okay. So anything above 10.63, then there's a good chance that momentum, that probability will be very tight. Any projection above $10 will be very tight. But even a probability of 0.1% is still holds a lot in it. Still holds a lot in it. But on all the other projections, $8, $9, and some fraction, just simply because it has printed those sort of levels before already. So there's a good chance prices around 8.64. The probability that they will print looks very high. Looks very high because if you can have a look here, we have a price of 8.67. Look on the left. You see this figure. Yeah, 8.67. We have that, and then if you look on the right, where I have SMAs 10, 21, 40, 200. Yeah, you can see that they if I'm considering the 10-day moving average, you can see that that moving average is at 8.95, indicating that when you calculate that, when you want to calculate that probability, and the way you do it is you subtract the current price of 8.7, which is our target price, and then you subtract uh, the moving average from the projected price, and then you divide that by the standard deviation. So when you do that, you surely get a figure that will give you a probability that is more than 50%. So if you move sideways again, let's have a look and see what we have for 8.7. Okay, seven. Okay, here now we have standard moving average of 7.71. So it's diluting that moving average. So with that alone, I think we're not we will not have a moving up a probability of more than 50%. But let's move and see. Let's move sideways again and see what we have. Let's move. We have here, yeah, 8.7. We have 8.81. Yes, 8.81. I think it may, that's the average. The average of those three moving averages may be approaching somewhere. It's coming up now. It's coming up, I think. Yes, it's gradually coming up. So the probability is improving with that second one. It dropped. Okay, let's move sideways now again and see 8.7. Yeah, 8.54. Okay, it's yeah, just been halted again. And then sideways again. Let's see. Standard deviation is, let's see. Sorry. Um, moving average is 8.68, coming close again. And then let's see now. Here it's 8.25. Here again it is 8.77, higher now. But I think all in all, they're not. If you sum up all the moving averages we have now, I don't think. And then we have another 8.79. I don't think they will be more than 8.7 so far. They could just be close. Okay, 9.43. There's a good chance we are looking at there's a good chance we are looking at a probability that is more than 50%, given, especially given that this moving average as of Wednesday, the 18th of December, is 9.43. The moving average is 9.43, and then the price is 8.7. So that's, yeah, that tells you. And then we go to 7.5. It's decreased now. Let's go now. We have 7.97. Yeah, and then 7.72. Okay, so it's a mix of things. I would say, on average, at least, let's just say below 40, below 50%, somewhere. I could just maybe just say maybe 46%, but 46% that they can, print above $8.7. Yeah, based on the data on its on this daily chart. On the 4 hour chart, it could also be something totally different. But you can also, you can have a look and see what you make of all of these. Okay, see what you make of all of them. 8.7, 8.7. Not a lot of moving averages around there. So yeah, see what you make of them, and thank you very much for watching this video.